Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my presentation. It's all about the technique presentation of the test. So, I introduce myself. My name is Irana Rahma. I'm from D3 of Amik Wahana Mandiri, Siam Reap. Right now. In here, I will give the material about English Club of SMK Pandeglang. So, what about the material? It is describe or explanation about Australian English debate mechanism. So, the first thing I will deliver all of the explanation about definition from this material, and the second is the rule of this material. The definition from the Australian debate mechanism. Debate mechanism have the kind of the debate mechanism. In here, that Australian mechanism, ASEAN mechanism of and university mechanism. What about things different between Australian and ASEAN? In here, that's Australian mechanism. It has the definition that two themes, that the revolt themes, that affirmative themes and negative themes. The second things in here, that's one theme of three peoples. And this is the first speaker, second speaker, and the third speaker. And then from the Australian debate mechanism, who debate over an issue that is commonly called a topic or proposition. So actually in this the motion, it's happened about the in things. What about the famous something about the issue in our country? And then the difference of Australian and the other debate mechanism is present in the form of affirmative statement beginning with that or this house. In here, that if affirmative theme for the beginning, it has the motion with the that or this house. Okay. So next, what about the rule from debate mechanism? So the first speaker from the affirmative theme give the proposal, what the something about or the explanation what that motion, what about the background that motion happen in our country or that will be happen in our country. And then the first speaker from the negative theme, it's the rebuttal. What about that the proposal also good or true, but if them not give the true of statement, so the first speaker from the negative theme can take over. What about the definition, limitation, and the other thing about that spirit motion from that motion. And then the first speaker from the negative theme is give the argument. What about their absolutely disagree about this motion. And then the second speaker give the rebuttal from the first speaker from the negative theme. And then after that, themselves should be give the much about rebuttal, where something is not be make sense with the good proof. And then the second speaker will be deliver about the new argument. And then the second speaker from the negative theme, it absolutely will give the rebuttal from the first speaker and second speaker from the affirmative theme and with the new arguments. So, and then the third speaker give the from the affirmative theme give the rebuttal from the first speaker and second speaker from the negative theme and give the compare. Who is the good of the argument and proof, and who is the wrong argument and it's not be give the underline or will the certainly something for give the adjudicator is really thing about that's really true with the evidence. And then the third speaker give the rebuttal from the first, second, and third speaker from the affirmative theme and give compare. So in here, that's if the negative theme it's not be agree or disagree for the motion, themselves should be blow up. What something is really disagree, what something is really urgent, why themselves is not be disagree about that motion. Okay, next. In here I have the rule What about the conclusion? After the debater give the explanation about their material, so they themselves should be give the conclusion. For the first step, from the negative team, the negative team will be deliver about the conclusion themselves, and then after the negative team give the conclusion, so the first speaker it's really self usually give the explanation about the conclusion that after the negative is affirmative. So what about the timing rules of the Australian debate mechanism? Term of the national rule set by the committee, because I think it's really different from 1 year and the next year or the last year. So themselves write about the advice or result from the adjudicators or the committee. And then in the region sections, it will be happen 5 minutes 20 seconds for the first speaker, second speaker, and third speaker. In the province section, it will be deliver each debater 7 minutes 20 seconds. And then next, all actors in debate competition. In here, for to be the leader of that competition with the chairperson, with the it's like master of ceremony. It's all like that, because themselves will be introduced of the debaters, adjudicators, and the rule of all debate mechanism. And then the timekeepers who people that timekeeper or give the or as announcer that if the debate should be start, should be continue or be finished themselves. If that will be happen, it will be now. And then in here, which people give the value of the debate competition is the adjudicator. The adjudicator will give the value with the win or the lose team, and themselves will explain about something. It's really should be applied or should be get speed motion, and then give the much of argument. And then the last is the debater, with people as the speaker of the debate from each team. In here, from the adjudicator give the value of debate competition. It will be from the three of side. From the first, it here from the matter for the 40%. Why it's really important? Because we should be know that all of debaters is know what about the spirit motion, what about the suppose or purpose from that motion, and if the material is really true, it will be give the value 40% from that value of debate competition. And then for the second thing, it will give the value from the manner is 30%. It will be happen what about the debater will be give what or something like that. The debater will be give the certainty of the argument. The debate will give the something is really make sense of the debate, and then something is like that. And for the last thing, it will be give the value of the method side. Method side here will give the value of 30%. And then if that debater will be good with good material or with good method of the debate, that's first speaker, which will be give the proposal. The split team from the team is really it's really good. And then the structure of debate is really good, because then all of audience and the adjudicator will be understand about all of explanation. So just that, thank you so much for your attention. Thank you so much just for information, for new information about the debate mechanism. Thank you so much. See you next time.